Hey guys, just want to show you a little project I'm doing today. Got a bunch of shutters. These vinyl shutters that go up on brick. And, you know, I don't know what they are. It's 15 bucks a piece, 7 bucks a piece, something like that. And builders always choose these horrible plastic mounts or pegs, whatever they are. They got the little fins on them. They're horrible. Anywhere you have freeze and thaw cycles, those things are going to break, and then the shutters are blowing off the house. In this case, probably about half of these little fasteners are loose, so we're going to do all 8 shutters on this beautiful brick house. And I've come up with a much better fastening system. Now, it's quite a bit more expensive, but it'll last forever. You guys have seen these anchors and these headlock screws, which are really cool looking. They've got a nice design on them. So from afar, they look like a nice, cool fastener. They're flat like that, so they sit on the shutter real nice, hold it real nice, and they can be painted just like the other fasteners are painted. All you got to do is drill out the hole where the plastic fasteners are in, and I'm going to do a more detailed video of this on YouTube that I'll link to. But basically, you just cut them off. You find something to cut them off, and cut them down to the mortar joint. They're usually in the mortar joints. Then you just take a 5/8 mortar or mason's drill bits for brick, and it goes in like nothing. You don't even need a hammer drill. Insert that into the hole, and then the headlock goes in like a regular lag screw, but it looks a lot better. A couple things to be careful of: make sure you have plenty of this around, because I already found one nest behind this shutter. Wasps love to build their nests behind these things. And also, if your shutters haven't been painted, they might be brittle, and when you go to tighten the headlock fastener on there, and if that thing's been exposed to a lot of UV rays, the shutter can crack and just shatter on you. So be real careful when you're driving those in. This was painted, so it's still very flexible. So you put those in, end up with a decent look. Only a little bit of touch-up paint, if you even need to. I doubt you'll see that from the road. You want to be careful. You see how that one's bowing in a little bit? That's what I meant by you can over tighten them, so I'll go back and adjust that. But you know, they end up looking pretty cool. Those are the rest of them. It's too sunny to show you. I just wanted to share this with you guys because it's a pretty good money maker.